Welcome to Fins and Funds Finance for all you flippered friends with a fishy budget. Meet Worker Penguin. He wakes up early, grabs his rod, and settles by the ice hole. Fishing, after all, is an art, isn't it? But hold on a minute. What's that strange whirring sound over the horizon? Is it a flying refrigerator? No! Much worse! It's the new AI-powered fishing bot 5000. This new arrival can catch more fish faster and without needing a coffee break. Worker Penguin feels a chill, and it's not just the Arctic wind. It's the cold reality of change. Suddenly, the market is flooded with fish. Prices plummet, and traditional fishing jobs become, well, less of a thing. Worker Penguin's artistic angling just isn't cutting it anymore. This is the essence of AI's impact on the job market: automation. Tasks once performed by our dedicated worker penguins can now be handled by machines, often cheaper and faster. The art of manual fish sorting is being replaced by the science of automatic fish processing. But fear not, my feathered friends. History shows that technology often creates new jobs, even as it replaces old ones. The Arctic economy is evolving, not collapsing. Worker penguins are learning new skills. Some are becoming AI technicians, repairing and optimizing the fishing bots. They even program them to say please when asking for more fish. Even our vendor Penguin is now a digital fish marketing guru, using AI to predict which penguins want which fish. Spooky, right? AI knows what you ate last summer. But what about the truly unique? The penguin touch. AI excels at data and repetition, but it's still flummoxed by creativity, empathy, and that gut feeling only a true penguin has. Jobs like penguin therapist, strategic iceberg relocation planner, or chief fish tasting officer remain uniquely penguin-centric. After all, how can a robot truly appreciate the subtle nuances of a freshly caught salmon? The future of the Arctic job market isn't about penguins versus AI. It's about penguins and AI, working together, augmenting our abilities, and creating a more productive, dare I say, fantastic economy. The key: lifelong learning, adapting to new technologies, embracing change, and focusing on those uniquely penguin skills. It's like learning to glide on ice. Awkward at first, but incredibly rewarding. So, will penguins be out of a job? Not exactly. Their jobs will evolve. The smartest penguins won't fear AI, they'll learn to dance with it, maybe even teach it a few new moves. Prepare for your financial future with Fins and Funds Finance. Equip your financial knowledge penguin style. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, or else we all might go hungry. Just kidding mostly. Keep waddling.